It's easy to forget where you're from. The shine of what's new can blind us from what got us here. But when you really stop and look at it, you can trace today's economic strengths back to one place: the sea. Seattle is the maritime industry. In the next 2 decades, the Port of Seattle will collaborate with community partners to transform industrialized areas of our city into advanced manufacturing clean energy zones. Not only protecting the environment, but keeping equity at the center of our work and improving the quality of life for residents by creating new economic opportunities. Seattle has always been a port city. And as we realize our vision of becoming a green energy leader of the world, know that our future will be made possible by the port.